be discussing some tougher topics. We've seen this coronavirus. I think we'll see from all of the coronavirus.
As we know, coronavirus is
The coronavirus arrived.
Corona could be just similar.
Positive for the coronavirus in coronavirus.
Going on here.
Good morning, ladies and gentlemen.
What's up, YouTubes?
What's up, YouTube?
What's up, YouTube?
It's the... What's the date today?
It's the 24th. It's the day after my birthday, April 23rd.
Yep. Happy birthday, Jim.
Thanks.
So, we're going to go up to the pond. Top secret undisclosed location. And it's rained yesterday. It's supposed to rain.
It's raining right now.
A little. But it's supposed to clear up and it's going to be really sunny, so hopefully the birds pop.
I really hope so, because I got up early for this.
Yeah, well, that's the spirit. You
Yeah.
talk.
I don't know what to say.
Oh, okay.
What do you want?
I don't know. It's always, I just always feel like I talk too much. I feel like I need to get other people to talk.
That's the point of the interview.
Oh, that's true, I guess.
I just hold the camera and you talk. There's nothing real exciting to show you guys right now. We're just driving down the road. But
Yeah. All right. Well, I guess we'll check back in with you when we're cruising, rolling through my Dolan.
Yep. All right.
Roosting. I'm up here in the roost. One, two, three. Wildlife. What happened to the thing? I took it off. Wildlife. Yeah. back in with you. We got in just before light. Had a couple birds gobble on the roost. They shut up. It's 8 o'clock now. We're gonna try to make a move here up to this field. See if we can get on something else. Get around them. We're right where we're around where they're from. Yeah, I think they were down there. It's like this, it's like a valley. And we're on that side of it. They pitched down on one side or the other. So he had a 50-50 shot at him. I think they pitched down on the other side. Yeah, crappy day. Sun's not out. If I was a turkey, I would be gobbling right now. I'd probably still be in the tree. Yeah, if you weren't a turkey and you were gobbling, you'd probably be in a psychiatric hospital. Yeah, maybe. Alright. I kind of feel like I should be right now. After getting 2 hours of sleep. Alright. Well, let's push up, I guess. We'll catch you later. Check and watch you later.
What you got, James?
Well, it's 9:30. Ryan's dropping me back off at his house because I petered out. Tired.
Too sleepy?
Yeah, I'm tired. I only slept for about 2 hours. But what did we hear? Three gobbles this morning and then nothing. Snuck. How much ground do you think we covered?
Probably 30-40 miles.
Yeah, we probably covered 30-40 miles, sneaking super sneak mode. Oh yeah, we walk around the whole place. We hear 2 gobbles, we sit there for about 2 hours, then we sneak around the whole place. And then we're finally done, and we start talking in our normal voices, come up on the driveway, turkey runs across the driveway. So
Insult to injury.
yeah, I'm tuckered out, so I'm gonna go back to the house. Ryan, you're gonna go back up there, ain't you?
Yep.
I don't know if you'll get any footage of that, are you?
Yeah,
You
hopefully.
gonna GoPro it?
I'm gonna GoPro it.
But I'm petered out.
Well, get some rest. We'll go the next couple days.
Yeah, we'll see you next time on a sunny day, I hope.
Yep. Catch you later.
Yep, good luck.
All right. See you, man.
Shut her down. See you.
Laser. Round 2. Take one more crack at it. It's like 10:30. You know, until noon in Ohio. Jamie tried the best he could, but he slept in. I mean, he stayed up super late. But the poor guy, you could see it in his eyes, he was gonna pass out. So I ran him back, and he should be home now. So I figured I grabbed a sandwich and ran back up here to our property. So hopefully I can get a bird to gobble. Just kind of be running a GoPro, so still better than working. Still better than a lot of things. Still better than concentration camps. Still better than when your girlfriend breaks up with you. Still better than, you know, the Holocaust in general. And I don't think anybody can argue that. Turkey hunting's better than a lot of stuff. So, alright. See you guys in a little bit. Well, there comes a time when a man has to admit it's over and In Ohio, that time is 12 o'clock p.m. So, never ended up seeing any birds. Well, we saw the one across the street, but really tried to grind this one out, give it everything I had, and sometimes it just doesn't work out like that. So, I don't know. Still a lot of season left. It's just so discouraging. Like, you know, it was supposed to be a real pretty sunny day today, and it was real gray and rainy, and they came off the roost and they just shut up. So isn't that this sign? Talk about the truth. But there's always tomorrow. It's supposed to rain tomorrow, but there's always the day after that, which it's all supposed to rain that day. So I don't know. I'm gonna go meet Luke for lunch, and then him and Jesse are gonna go out tomorrow too. So still got some cool stuff, but thanks for watching, guys. See ya.